hear it? Get past these mountains. Get past these mountains. Past the hill mountains. That's not good. No. It's not good. Way. Oh shit, bro. It's fucking nuts.
Hij zit kar op te rijden. Ja, maar je kan gewoon heel slecht worden. Ja, broer. Escolheu de goodness. Eerste keer in my lewe het ek 'n tornado sien. Gaan hy wolke. My heerlikheid. Mira. Porque acá.
Oh! Right in the cars, man. Whoa! Oh, shit! The roof! Holy fuck! Whoa!
Ah non, il est correct. Ah, c'est ça l'idée. Hey, c'est ça. Hey, yo, je voulais ça.
Oh non!
Où tu vas aller?
It's the funnel.
I see it. I see it.
Really, really low contrast. But that's it.
You ready to pull out on the left or no?
Now we gotta get closer. This is why.
Oh, there's two. I see two in the
Is
picture. It's really, really, really thin next to it.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, there it is! There it is! Look at the ground rotation! Right there.
Oh my god.
Bad idea.
Oh my god, it's coming at us, dude. Watch your rear, watch your rear. You're good, you're good.
No, I'm not.
Wait, it's gonna come back. Look at these birds.
Whoa!
You see those birds flying? Oh my god. Okay, it was scary. Oh my god, you see those birds?
Holy shit!
Dude.
Oh my god!
It was coming right at us.
Holy shit, dude!
Oh my god.
Alright, I think I'm done, man.
This guy's trying to go back and look down.
Okay, let's go. Let's creep. Just keep an eye right there. I mean, that might.
Looks like it's.
Okay.
It's just RFD winds where you hitting us.
You know what? We can turn right up here. We can turn right up here. 200 yards. Just over this hill, there's a right-hand turn. Let's take it. Yeah, let's go. Go to it, Ricky.